Imagine for a moment that every secret you've ever sent over email is sitting in a digital warehouse, just waiting to be opened. Your private conversations, business contracts, and even sensitive medical records are all locked behind a door that is currently unpickable. But here's the catch. There's a new kind of key being built, a skeleton key of sorts, that won't just pick the lock, it'll shatter the entire door. This isn't the plot of a sci-fi thriller. This is the reality of the quantum apocalypse. And it's exactly why Proton Mail just made one of the most important security updates in the history of the internet. Welcome back to CyberInsider. Today, we're diving deep into a massive shift in digital privacy. Proton Mail, the world's leading encrypted email provider, has officially begun rolling out post-quantum cryptography, or PQC, to all of its users. This means that starting right now, your emails can be protected against a threat that doesn't even fully exist yet. It sounds like something from the future, but as we're about to see, the danger is very much in the present. If you've been following the news about quantum computing, you know it's a race against time, and Proton has just taken a massive lead. To understand why this rollout is such a big deal, we first need to look at how your emails are currently locked. Most of the internet today relies on two main types of encryption: RSA and elliptic curve cryptography, or ECC. These systems are incredibly strong. In fact, if you try to use a standard supercomputer to crack a modern RSA 4096 key, it would take trillions of years, literally longer than the universe has been around. For all intents and purposes, this encryption is unbreakable by today's standards. But there's a monster under the bed called Shor's algorithm. Back in 1994, a mathematician named Peter Shor proved that a sufficiently powerful quantum computer could solve the complex math problems that RSA and ECC are based on, in a matter of minutes or even seconds. Quantum computers don't just work faster than normal computers. They work differently, using the principles of quantum mechanics to process information in ways we are only beginning to grasp. While we don't have a cryptographically relevant quantum computer quite yet, experts like Professor Chris Speichert from the University of Michigan warn that the risk is catastrophic. He recently told us here at CyberInsider that even a small probability of a quantum breakthrough represents a major risk because it would effectively reset the security of the entire digital world back to zero. Now you might be thinking, if quantum computers that powerful don't exist yet, why should I care today? The answer lies in a terrifying strategy known as Harvest Now, Decrypt Later. Right now, state-sponsored hackers and massive intelligence agencies are intercepting and storing vast amounts of encrypted data. They can't read it today, but they are betting on the fact that they will be able to read it in 5, 10, or 15 years when quantum computers mature. Think about your inbox. Would you be okay with someone reading your 2024 emails in 2030? Probably not. Business secrets, legal documents, and personal life details often remain sensitive for decades. This is why the transition to post-quantum cryptography is so urgent. By the time the first powerful quantum computer is turned on, it will be too late to protect the data that has already been stolen. Proton Mail is acting now to secure that the harvested data of today remains a useless pile of gibberish tomorrow. So how exactly is Proton Mail fixing this? They aren't just adding a new feature, they're essentially upgrading the entire engine of their encryption. This rollout introduces support for what's called OpenPGP v6. This is a brand new version of the PGP standard that was designed specifically to handle modern cryptographic algorithms, including those that are resistant to quantum attacks. Specifically, Proton is using a combination of traditional encryption and something called ML-KEM, which is a lattice-based algorithm that was recently standardized by NIST as being quantum resistant. The beauty of Proton's approach is that it's not just a walled garden. Because they're sticking to the OpenPGP standard, they're ensuring that quantum-safe email can eventually be sent between different providers. They're even collaborating with projects like Mozilla Thunderbird to make sure this becomes the new global standard for everyone, not just Proton users. It's a move toward a more secure, interoperable internet, where your privacy doesn't depend on which app your friends are using. If you're a Proton user, you can actually turn this on today, regardless of whether you're on a free or paid plan. Here's how it works. First, you need to make sure you're using the latest version of the Proton Mail app. as the older versions simply don't know how to handle these new quantum keys. Once you're updated, you can head into your account settings, navigate to the sidebar, and look for the Encryption and Keys section. There, you'll find the option to activate post-quantum protection. When you flip that switch, Proton will generate new quantum-resistant keys for your account. From that point forward, all your new incoming and outgoing emails will be protected by this high-tech shield. However, there are a couple of important things to keep in mind. First, this protection is not retroactive. Your old emails that are already sitting in your inbox are still encrypted with the older RSA or ECC keys. Proton has mentioned they plan to offer a way to re-encrypt old messages in the future, but for now, it only applies to new communications. Second, if you use the end-to-end encrypted forwarding feature, you'll notice it gets temporarily disabled when you turn on PQC. This is because the forwarding system isn't quite ready for the new keys yet, but a fix is on the way. One question we often get at CyberInsider is whether this higher level of security will slow down your phone or computer. Proton admits that generating and using these complex quantum-resistant keys can have a slight performance impact. These keys are mathematically much heavier than the ones we use today. However, on any modern smartphone or laptop, you likely won't even notice the difference. The milliseconds it takes to encrypt a message are a small price to pay for future-proofing your entire digital life. It's also worth noting that Proton is rolling this out gradually. If you don't see the option in your settings just yet, don't panic. It is making its way to all millions of users globally over the coming weeks. Proton's commitment to making this available, even for free accounts, is a major statement in an industry where advanced security is often hidden behind a massive paywall. They are treating quantum resistance as a fundamental right, not a luxury feature. The transition we're seeing today is one of the most significant shifts in the history of cryptography. We are moving from the classical era of security to the quantum era. While it might feel like we are preparing for a threat that is years away, the reality is that the foundation of a secure future is built today. Other giants like Google and Apple are also beginning to implement similar protections in their messaging apps, but Proton's implementation in email is a crucial piece of the puzzle. If you haven't made the switch to a more secure email provider yet, there has never been a better time. In fact, right now, Proton is offering some significant deals, including up to 60% off their 12-month plans and 30% off their 24-month subscriptions, for those looking for the full suite of unlimited features like their VPN and Drive. It's a great way to support a company that is pushing the boundaries of what privacy looks like for the average person. At the end of the day, security is about staying one step ahead of the people who want your data. The Harvest Now Decrypt Later threat is a silent one, but it is very real. By rolling out post-quantum cryptography, Proton Mail is essentially giving their users a time machine, protecting the secrets of today from the computers of tomorrow. We want to give a special shout-out to Professor Chris Speichert for his insights on this story. His work highlights that while the math behind this is complicated, the reason for doing it is simple. We cannot wait for the crisis to arrive before we start building the solution. This rollout is a proactive, bold move that sets a new bar for the entire tech industry. Make sure you head into your settings, update your apps, and get your quantum keys generated. Your future self will thank you. And thank you for watching this deep dive on CyberInsider. Stay secure, stay private, and we'll see you in the next one.